The GX1800GW is an ultra-compact, 3.5 depth, 25-watt fixed mount VHF with integrated 66-channel WAAS GPS receiver. Out of the box and ready to go, saving the extra step of having to add additional wiring to a separate GPS output. This radio is capable of being connected to a remotely mounted full-functioning second station, RAM mic. The GX1800G is a full-functioning Class D DSC radio, including DSC Distress Calling, individual calling, group calling, all ships calling and position sharing. The extra-large, extra-bright high-resolution Dot Matrix display makes operating this radio easy and efficient. All standard Horizon radios are backed by an industry-leading 3-year waterproof. Features: integrated 66-channel WAAS GPS receiver, second station RAM mic compatible, ultra-compact 3.5 depth for ease of mounting, large, bright high-resolution Dot Matrix DisplayIPX8 Waterproof design. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for my boat. Great quality radio. Added it to my offshore boat. Go signals come through my fiberglass top without issue. Speaker is plenty loud.